popular non-surgical methods patients choose to soften the look of aging skin.
Now there's a new approach to zapping away the years that promises an easier recovery. KENS 5's Wendy Rigby reports.
San Antonian Alma Hassa wants to put forward a younger-looking face, and she's chosen a new laser procedure to soften the wrinkles and spots left behind by sun damage.
I just want to take care of maybe some fine lines that are starting to come out. And, you know, in this day and age, it's competitive. You want to look good for as long as you can look good.
Dot therapy offers the promise of a better complexion with a speedier recovery than conventional lasers. That's because it uses a grid of dots to deliver the energy from the CO2 laser, creating tiny perforations surrounded by healthy skin. The man controlling the machine is plastic surgeon Dr. Thomas Genevieve.
If you're able to just put little dots into the skin instead of lasering the whole way across, then the healthy skin will rejuvenate and repopulate and heal the skin that you just put a dot in.
Patients are prepped with a topical anesthetic, and the redness usually goes away within a few days. Dot therapy is recommended for wrinkles, acne, and pigment problems on the face, neck, and upper chest. Just 3 days after treatment, most patients see the redness fading, and many times it's not at all noticeable in about a week.
I believe that if women take care of this in short little increments, they don't have to go through a drastic procedure, which is phenomenal.
The cost is about $2,500 for the face and $1,000 for the neck and chest area.
But the beauty about the dot therapy is people stay dry and they're not weeping and there's no crusting. It's almost like they just had a very, very bad sunburn, but they can get over it. It is a huge advance in skin resurfacing.
After the dot therapy, patients are advised to stick to a strict regimen of moisturizers and sunscreen to protect their investment. Reporting live, Wendy Rigby, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.